Hi guys. Ooh, back up. I'm back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about the differences between a standalone tablet, like this iPad here, and my big old Cintiq tablet, which is considered a display tablet. So let's get on into this video. I'm going to try to not ramble. All right, let's do this. So when it comes to display tablets, standalone tablets, oh my god. The differences between this and a display tablet is you don't need an operational system like a computer or like a laptop to use this. It has an operational system built in within itself. So that's one of the main big differences between a standalone handheld tablet, a standalone handheld tablet versus a big old display tablet. Now there are smaller display tablets. I don't have the money to afford that. This one took me like years to afford, and I had this girl for like 10 years. She's sturdy and durable. She has a couple of issues that I'm not going to get into right now, but she knows what it is. I talk about it in my other video, so if you want to see what I'm talking about, go ahead and jump over to that other video. But anyways, so with display tablets, you will need, let me show you these cords. It's dusty back there. Don't be judging me because, this is my life. So as you can see, you need lots of cords per dusty. You need lots of cord, and it has to like connect back to the back part. And then you need like this other like device right here that's HDMI device. And then it can get, I'm not gonna go into, I'll cover the disadvantages of a display tablet versus a standalone tablet later. But that's just, those are the differences. This one, you don't need an extra computer. This one, you do. I think that's all that I'm going to talk about today. And another one of the differences is you can move it around. It's convenient to travel with. That's an obvious difference, but just in case you didn't know, this is so much lighter. Both, like, this does get a little bit hot, but so does this one. This one also gets a little bit hot, so. But irregardless, this is more compact, it's easy to use, easy to move around, but you do need to charge it. My Cintiq, my display, it needs no charge. She just needs to be plugged up into an outlet, and she's good to go. So that's another difference between these two. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube page so that you can stay up to date with more Webtoon Rambles or more videos where I talk about display tablets, graphic tablets, digital tablets, Webtoon art advice, digital Webtoon tools and whatnot, because I have so much that I've collected through the years. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Let me stop waving this around. Bye.